Okay, fine. So let's get started. Last 30 minutes or 20 minutes after our commands, I will be taking installation of yours. If someone is not able to complete today, also we still have tomorrow time for installation. But little bit of subject is also needed for the day. So let's get started. Um, yeah, let me share my screen. Okay, guys. Let's get started. So first thing we are going to discuss today is SQL commands. We are going to discuss today is SQL commands, the most important part of the SQL because for everything, whenever they say basic means it's not a basic, we can say it's a foundation. It should be very strong. Means initially whatever we are learning should be very strong. Later on to learn multiple scenarios, to do multiple scenarios. If this foundation is not very strong, later on classes would be very difficult. Whatever the session it might be, it will be difficult. So this is the most important part of SQL. So we have multiple commands under SQL. First is DDL commands. The full form of DDL commands is data definition language. Data definition language. Correct. Data definition language. So basically what happens, it will talk about the structure of your table. It will be talk about the structure of your table. Okay. Structure about your table. So, or else let me write here, structure about your table. So what does the structure mean? Okay, I'll tell you. Structure means, I already said in SQL or in entire data analysis, we are going to deal with only tables. So any changes is happening to the structure. For example, this is one structure, one table. It have maybe some four columns here. One, two, three, four columns. For example, you're adding some extra column. What is happening? The structure of the table is getting changed. So any changes or anything related to it, like creation of it or alteration of it, changing anything related to the structure, the outline, not inside the data, that is known as your DDL commands. DDL means nothing but your data definition language. DDL is nothing but your data definition language. Okay, let me go and remove commands here, not required. Okay. Yeah. DDL is nothing but your data definition language. The full form of it is the meaning of it is it will deal the structure of the data. It will deal with the structure of the data. Inside this, what commands do we have? Okay, basically it will talk about what structure of your table, and inside this what commands do we have is we are having overall five commands. We are having overall five commands. Okay, let me write. First one is create, alter, rename, truncate, drop. Rename, truncate, drop. Okay, these are the five things. One, two, three, four, five things. This is nothing but it's a structure of the table, and all these five things will be will be dealing inside your DDL commands, will be dealing inside your DDL commands. Okay. Now you guys can ask, ma'am, what is this create, alter, rename, truncate? So all this I will be telling you after I get time today or tomorrow, because let's complete all of the commands now. As of now, you are supposed to understand this. Under DDL commands, we have this one, and this will talk about the structure of the table. Okay. Now, second thing comes is your DML commands. The second thing comes here is DML commands. Okay, what is the second thing? It will come here, DML commands. So what is the full form of it is data manipulation. The full form of it is data manipulation language. This is nothing but your data manipulation language. And this gonna talk about it is useful to write something or write inside the table. So this is a structure, right? For outline changes, we use DDL functions, but something information you already have here. For example, here, this is a name column. You have Ram. You wanted to change Ram to Kiran. So some changes, or maybe you're trying to insert records inside into it. Like, student number is 101 and his age is 26. His name is Kiran. He's male. He took course of data analysis. Something you're writing inside it or you're trying to change inside it is nothing but that is known as your DML commands. That is known as your DML commands. So what is the DML commands here? The DML commands you have here is insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete. Clear? So
Yes.
clear so far? Siddharth, Amma,
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Seshu Kumari,
Yeah,
Asavari, Divesh Pandey, Riaz, Sunil. I hope everyone is clear so far.
Clear.
Okay, yes, good. So these are the two commands. One is talking about outside the structure, the another one is talking about the inside the structure. Then you have your DQL commands. Then you have your DQL commands. What is the DQL full form? It is nothing but data query language. DQL is nothing but data query language. So inside this DQL commands, you have only one query. But let me explain what does it will do. Let me explain what does it will do. Basically, it will only use for reading purpose. Basically, it is helpful only for reading purpose. It will read the data. What it will do? Only to view the data. It cannot edit or it cannot do anything. It cannot do anything. It will only read the data. And inside this, you have is only one query. Inside this, you have is only one query. That name is nothing but select command. The name of it is nothing but select command. Okay. So what I'm saying, guys, in DQL, it is useful for only reading purpose. It is useful for only reading or viewing purpose. And inside this DQL, you have only one command. That command name is select command. And next, you're having your fourth one is your DCL commands. What is the DCL commands full form? Data control language. Data control language. So what does it's gonna be dealing with? This is gonna be dealing with permissions. Whether to give permission or not. whether to give permission or not. For example, um, let's understand permissions means what? Uh, let's understand this is one company, okay? This is one organization. This is one organization. In this organization, there is two departments, okay? One department is HR department, okay? And another department is your IT department, okay? In one organization, you have two departments, HR and IT department. Basically, you're hiring one new person as a HR. There is a person, you're hiring a new person or HR. So you're supposed to give him permission or access to this particular table, which is known as grant. Okay, which is known as grant. Means under DCL data control language, permissions means your first thing is you're trying to grant the output. Let me drag this side a little bit. Okay, you're trying to grant this particular person permission for this particular table. And one person is resigning from this. One person is resigning from this. So you are going to revoke what all the permissions means. Revoke is nothing but you are trying to remove all permissions for this particular person, whosoever is already existing. For this particular person whosoever is already existing in this. If someone is, guys, if you have a working for some company, if you resign, they will remove all permissions for what all access you have, right? In the same way, they are removing all the access for this person. So granting and you do a revoke. Grant and revoke comes under your DCL commands, which means your permissions. Am I clear? Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, everyone.
Yes.
Asavari, Devesh Pandey,
Yes, madam.
Vishnu.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so that is your fourth step. Now let me just remove this. That is your fourth step, DCL commands, which is known as a permission. But the thing is, okay, first let me write what all we teach here. I said we teach grant and then we have revoke. But the problem or the thing is, this work is done by database administrator, DBA. We are not going to do this, okay? We are a developers. We are not getting into this, but it's a part of the commands I have explained you theoretically. So no practicals on this DCL commands. When you guys join, we are going to do all kind of theoretical and practical part on other commands rather than DCL because it's not a part of a development. It's easy giving permissions, grant and revoke. In real time, you will do this, and you're not a DBA, so nothing to worry about it. Okay. And then finally, you have your last one is TCL commands. What it is? TCL commands. TCL commands means transaction control language. What it is? Transaction control language. Now inside this you have, so what this will do, it will be talking about, it is like giving a second time, it is like giving a second time chance, or it is giving a buffer, it is giving a buffer to particular queries, either to save or either to delete. So it is basically used for saving or to roll back the data. Saving or roll back the data. I might go a little bit deeper on this. Wait. So let me complete the commands here. The first command here is commit. And second command we have here is rollback, and third is your save point. At this point, understanding each and everything is difficult, but I'll explain my better. So, guys, from first to fourth understood, right? Shall I go and explain your TCL commands? 1 to 4 understood, everyone? Any doubts? So in-depth command, what is create, what is alter, we will be looking into from tomorrow along with practicals. Like I'll say create means creation of table, but how do you create that syntax? Your workbench should be ready, everything ready. Then with one by one, I can go with it. But basically, you should understand it deals about structure. It will write something inside the table. It is just used for reading purpose. This is for permissions, and this one I'll explain. Okay, so far these four things are clear, everyone? Any doubts? Ashavari is clear. Everyone is clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk a little bit of your TCL commands. So coming to yesterday's picture, right? Yesterday architecture, very quickly I will draw because we already know what it is. Very quickly I'll be drawing, and because that is needed. You should understand basically what the data, how the data is going. It's not only talking about queries, but you should understand how the data flow is there and everything you should talk. Okay. Okay. If you guys remember, yesterday I'm saying this is you and this is a client software. Maybe it's a workbench or command line. Whatever the queries you write, it will go and get saved to your hard drive. This is a permanent one. In between, there is a operating system which is known as your RDBMS mediator, right? RDBMS. And we learned this so far, right? So whatever you write your SQL queries. It will go to this client software in RDBMS, will act like a mediator. And if you wanted to fetch something, it will come back like this. Okay. Till yesterday, we were talking about this. I hope this is clear. Recollected. Okay. Correct. Yes. Or do I need to explain again? Yes. Recollected from yesterday? Yes. Asawari said yes. Only Asawari will reply. Others, try to reply so that everyday class would be like, very much interactive and that kind of energy we should have. Sunil said yes. Only Sunil and Asavari said yes. Others also go and type yes, say Shukumari, yes. Amar Vishnu, yes. Very good. Very good. That's all. Can I get yes from everyone? Divesh, Riyas,
Yeah, yes, madam.
Siddharth.
Agree.
Okay, fine. So, this is the flow, how the data will flow, get saved, and whenever wanted, we get the output. Now, for example, what is a TCL command is now being a user, I will open TCL means transaction control language. Whenever I get into this TCL, not all the time it is you have to use TCL. Rare cases we will be using TCL commands. Whenever it is required, you will understand in depth in future. So basically now I'm trying to insert some record. Okay. There is one thing I'm typing here. I'll write insert into tables, or I'll say insert into students. This is one command, guys. Student number is 101, name is Raj, and his age is 26. This record I have written. This record I have it written in this workbench. So whenever you pass it to the RTBMS, what this RTBMS will do, it will go and save it to hard disk. When it will save it to hard disk, it's gonna save it permanently there. It's gonna save it permanently there. Now, instead of saving it to hard disk, whenever you open your transaction control language, it will go and create one buffer account here. It will go and create one buffer account here. Okay. Basically, this is a place where your TCL commands will enter. So whatever the record you have written here. Instead of going here, it will come and will be coming here in this buffer account. What is this? This is a buffer account. Means buffer account is nothing but you're giving second time chance whether to save it or to roll back. Now, this buffer account, you go and read this command for second time. If you're accepting this, you will go and say commit. What you'll say? You go and say commit. When you say commit, okay, let me type this. When you say commit here, when you say commit, it will it will permanently, let me use a good arrow mark. Okay. This query is entering here. Whenever you redo this, you learn this, and if you say commit, it will get into hard disk. It will get into hard disk and it is permanently saved. And when you say this query is no more required, you'll go and say rollback. What you'll say? You'll go and say rollback. When you say rollback, even though you entered in your workbench and it has passed to RDBMS, if you're not interested, it will completely delete from this buffer account. It is not going to your hard drive. So this is like second option. Instead of going your query like this, it is going like this. If you want this, it will be committed. This will be committed if you want this. If you don't want this, it will be rollback. It will be removed, means permanently deleted. So that's up to you. Okay. So this is how your TCL commands will work. Save point, I cannot explain you theoretically. At the time of practicals, I'll explain. So this is your transaction control language. Understood? Along with practicals, we are going to do all of this. Along with practicals, we are going to do all of this. Everyone is understanding. Siddharth said, okay.
Why are you using TCL commands?
Why are we using TCL commands? You will get in-depth subject in future classes, Sunil. Basically, whenever you wanted to give a second choice, you're not sure about that record. You're not very much sure about that record. So that time we will create some buffer account. Okay, so when you do practically, you will understand much more better in day one. Difficult. Okay, Sunil, understood. As of now, you are supposed to understand. Trying to give a second chance, and you're not sure about that record. There is some means, for example, different department is working on TCL commands. They are going to do like a quality check. We like that also you can assume as of now. But entire developer is going to do this work. I'll let you know at the time when we start up the classes. Okay?
Ma'am,
Sunil,
every command from ADVMS will go to buffer only. Every command.
No, Asavari.
Okay.
That is why, it's difficult to talk about TCL. The default nature of it is it will get record here. The default nature will get record here.
Okay.
Whenever you use one command which is known as your start transaction, whenever you use this command which is known as your start transaction, means whenever you wanted your TCL commands, then only this buffer account will come into the picture. Okay, but basic nature of the architecture is only this much. Only this much.
Okay.
Whenever is needed, only we will introduce this. Okay?
Okay.
Asabari, understood?
Yes, understood. Thank you.
Okay. So don't think much about TCL commands now because I have to explain. I had explained you until unless you work on each and every query, like create, insert, delete, drop. If you try and understand that with the practicals, your DDL, DML commands, everything, then at last we will go with TCL commands and we'll start the transactions. That point it is easy to understand. At this point, you should only try to understand, not getting into too much deeper. But yes, it's a transaction control language, which is a second time choice giving, and it's a buffer account. That much you have to understand. Okay, clear? Any doubts, please go ahead and ask. And don't think day one ma'am is saying this much. It's not tough. As long as you guys are able to understand, nothing is tough. If you're not able to understand, ask me. I'll try with another example and I'll tell you. But you should understand it, okay? Okay, very good. Devansh is understanding. Seshu said understood.
Got it, madam.
It's Siddharth, some part understand what it is, Siddharth. What is the difficulty you're facing? Let me know, Siddharth.
That that
Mhm.
rollback, like once once we insert the student details, how
Mhm.
like it will go to RDBMS, then this part I didn't understand. Okay, but you said you will make understand in the practical time.
Yes, practical time you'll understand. The thing is, I'll just repeat one more time, maybe if you can understand. The record, whatever went to RTBS, basically what is the default nature? It will go and save it in a hard drive.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So when you start using these transactions,
Hmm.
that particular time only, not every time. When this is something extra, when you start practicals, like start transactions, one buffer account is created here. So when you use this buffer account, instead of going to this hard disk, the record will come here. Okay? The
Oh,
record, instead of going here, the record is coming here. Okay? For example, let's understand the record is not going here. The record is coming here. Now here in this buffer account, in this transaction, you go and check. It looks good. It looks good for you. Then you'll say commit. Now this way it is going. You say commit, it will save in hard drive. Means that record is important for you. For example, this record is not important for you. You think this is not a part of this thing. So then you say rollback. Rollback is nothing but you're trying to delete it permanently. You're not allowing even it to enter into your hard disk. That's it. Clear now?
yes,
Very much clear, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. That's about it. So this, let me give 2 minutes time, everyone. Go and take a snapshot of it, or you write, enter, do whatever you want. Do this. Write, type in a snapshot, screenshot, whatever you do it. Then we'll get into installation part. Okay. We have only 20 minutes. Just do this. Yeah.
So from tomorrow onward, we will straight away working on MySQL only,
Yes, yes, yes.
like
After that, we'll be getting into Power
like
BI.
like creating database and all those things.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, few people said done. I need some help with installation. Yes, Seshu Kumari. You didn't done yesterday. I hope you're done yesterday. Okay, fine. Who wanted to share screen? This is done, right, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm stop sharing, giving access one after the other. Share your screen and then we will go ahead and work on it. Okay? Yeah. Go ahead and share your screens. Whosoever is done can stay back and just to watch it. And that's all for the day. Installation is there, another 20 minutes. Then we'll be starting from tomorrow. Okay? Yes.
So for tomorrow, will it have a class at 10:30?
11:30.
Okay, okay. So Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday. Correct.
And on a regular basis, ma'am, you will give like a homework, something that we can practice.
Definitely you'll get homeworks. Lot of homeworks.
Uh, Madam, my screen is visible, madam. Hello.
Riaz shared first, right? Okay. Okay. So Riaz shared first. Sheshu Kumari, just wait. Next, I'll take your screen. Riaz, let me send you one link. Go and open that link, okay? One
Yeah,
second.
okay.
So I hope maybe everyone is Starting from tomorrow? Correct. Hopefully. Okay. Open this. Vishnu, I will help you as well. Don't worry. Everyone open this link and keep it ready. Riaz, open the link, whatever I have shared. Let's get started now. One second.
This one, madam. No, thanks.
I'm gonna annotate, okay? Annotation follow. Yes. Yes. Click on it.
Yeah, I click now. Yeah, it's done.
Done?
Yeah.
Just double click on this. Double click on it. It will get installation. Click on this. Click on this.
First time.
Ma'am, what would be the class timing from tomorrow?
10:30 to 11:30.
Okay, and ma'am,
Click on this plus.
can you brief me syllabus once again? Today is my first day, so I want to know more about the syllabus and
Okay.
content.
Click on this. I will do it.
Yeah.
Click on it. You're not getting recording, Riaz.
Madam?
You're not getting recording, Riaz.
No, madam.
I think Riaz only asked, or Devesh asked to brief about syllabus. Who asked me?
Devesh, ma'am.
Devesh. Okay. Okay. Just wait. At the end of the session, maybe 5 minutes, I'll do it. Okay. Let's complete this, guys. Yeah. Click on this symbol. Wait. Go click on this plus symbol for applications. Yes. MySQL workbench plus symbol. Plus symbol. Yeah. Plus symbol one more time. Select this. Select again this arrow. First arrow. Next. Execute. It's getting executed. Siddharth, have you checked you got the recording? Meanwhile, please go ahead and check it. Next.
Sorry, ma'am, what did you say?
Have you checked the drive? Do you got the recording? Next.
No, madam, I just checked the mail. There was no recording. There's only just Zoom calls. There's no
You drive your Google Drive. Use legacy authentication.
But Google Drive, I have to share the mail ID. No, I didn't share the mail ID with them. How will I check the Google Drive?
Oh, Google. You never shared your mail ID?
No,
Gmail ID?
I have given my like official ID. That ID only I have given. But they didn't.
Then check on that ID only. What ID you have given, in that ID only go and check Google Drive. Whatever the mail ID you have given, to that ID. No, don't do this, Riaz. Riaz, go and type admin in small letters. That's good enough.
Admin.
Admin in small letters. Tomorrow, if you
Okay.
forget, also I will assist you because I say admin for everyone.
Yeah,
Go
okay,
repeat
madam.
password, admin, and click on next. So Siddharth, I'm saying you check on that. Again, click next. Check that only. Next. Okay.
Okay. Let me check. I'm checking.
Uh,
Execute, madam.
you can contact guys, 1 second. 1 second. You can execute it. Um, you can execute it. Here they have given everything, right? Let me copy paste this. Let me copy paste. See, this is a DURGASOFT. They have given lot of contact numbers. I'm copy pasting it. Okay. Um, Google Pay, Phone Pay number also they have given. Account not refundable and not transferable, they are saying. And you please send the screenshot of payment receipt with confirmation to the DurgaSoft online training at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. Let me let me finish Riaz and I'll explain one more time whatever I have pasted in a chat box. Okay. Let Riaz finish this. Riaz, click on next.
Yeah.
Finish. Finish. Yes. Double click on your yes, local instance. Double click on it. Admin and say save password to vault.
Yeah. Admin.
Save password to vault.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yours is done. Okay. So Riaz, you got it. Stop sharing for a minute.
Yeah.
Hmm. Guys, this is a message. What does a DurgaSoft is providing? See, I have sent in a chat box. You can contact these numbers any doubts. Okay, you can contact those numbers. If you wanted to do a account number, account transfer, this is the details. Okay, from here to here is the details. The account holder name, current account number. If you wanted to do IFSC code, and you have here.
And
If you don't wanted to do this transaction, let me complete. You have your Google Pay number. You can pay to this number. Okay. After doing this, what they are asking for confirmation, send a screenshot. See screenshot, see this line, okay? I'll copy this line separately again in the chat box. To this mail ID, you send a screenshot once your confirmation is done. Whatever. With the transaction ID to DurgaSoft online training at the rate of gmail.com, you send it. Any queries, you contact these three numbers. You can contact the first number. He will be assisting you very much clearly. All of them will assist you very much clearly, but try with this number. Anything, recording name game, anything, contact him. Pay, payment mode, they have given two modes. One is if you want to account transfer, go with this information. If you wanted to do Google or Phone Pay, go with this one. And whatever it is, you go and send to this one. And again, they are also saying very much clearly there is not refundable. So before you do, just think about it. I hope subject is going to be very much quality, and don't worry, this is how it will be taken. Okay. Now tell me any doubts on this payment mode, recordings, anything. Everyone, Riyaz, Siddharth, Seshu,
Ma'am,
Asavari.
ma'am, can you share your email address?
I can share my email address, I can share my phone number too,
Yeah,
but
please share.
admin team will not allow before the
Okay,
payment. I
ma'am,
already told you. And
okay.
I will be there not for payment things. I am not there for anything financial related matters. Um, Only subject. So once the payment is done, we will be having a WhatsApp group. You guys will be added in a group. We are also having some students, existing students. For them also, we will be connected. We will be creating a group. Anytime there is no session, I will update from my side. Even admin team will send you an email. Any recording issues, I will be helping you. Even the admin will be doing. So I will come into picture only when you guys enroll with DurgaSoft. So there is no direct contact between you and me till you
Okay.
guys get enrolled.
Okay.
Understood, Asavari?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
I hope you guys will understand this is what the rules followed by the DURGASOFT.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. We understand this. I understand this. I'm like, I'm like 15-year experience. I'm just working guy. So I understand these payment terms, non-refundable. I understand everything. But the basic thing when I speak to them, these people not able to answer. No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. And they drop the connection. They drop the line. That's the problem. Even I asked for the first day recording also. Okay, we will send. And continuously means in a day, they send at least 10 times for the this Zoom link. Zoom link. You ask everyone, they will also say this. They send the link only. They send this particular screenshot, this thing only, but they don't get into the detailing things. That's why just I'm
Okay.
concerned. Like after doing the payment, you are telling that you are there. But a simple recording for the first day, if I'm asking from them, they are not able to.
Stand, okay. So
Uh,
you confirm you don't have a recording right now also, right?
oh no, ma'am, no, ma'am. I checked the
Okay.
mail. I
Okay.
can sure.
But
There is a
I
screenshot. The day they send at least 10 times this link.
see I have all of your mail IDs. Even I have followed this mail IDs to them. This is right mail ID, right?
Ma'am,
Siddharth.execution@gmail.com. Correct. I still have your details. Okay, hold down. Let me talk to them right away because I can feel the concern. Just hold on. Let me talk to them. Everyone, just give few minutes. Guys, they are saying you will get recording in follow-up mail, it seems. Can you check it, Siddharth, once?
I'm checking.
Once check and confirm. I'll be on hold.
From which ID they are sent? I'm just searching.
What it is, Siddharth? What do you say?
Something from which ID they have sent.
Oh, okay. I'll just check. I'll just ask.
Because I'm writing Durga soft Zoom only it's coming.
Siddharth Pro, while you have registered now through this course, that
Ah,
mail only you will get, I think. I have
once
also received.
once I register, then only I will get.
Yeah. You
Siddharth,
didn't
can you
register.
check this? Durgasoft1403@gmail.com. Can
Madam,
you
I think Siddharth was not registered, madam, I think, for this course.
So I will register now. I will register today. Today after
No,
the
register means while starting this session in Zoom section.
I have registered. That's why the mail ID is there. Na? If I wouldn't have registered the mail, how come ma'am get my mail ID?
Yeah, I have
Okay,
received
guys,
demo videos.
that's fine. That's fine, Riyaz and Siddharth. That's fine. Siddharth, can you go and check this durgasoft1403@gmail.com? Can you give it a try? I'll be on hold because I'm speaking to admin. Admin is on call. So that's why I'm asking you. Can you do a quick check of this? Everyone can check, not only Siddharth. If someone is not getting, please go ahead and check.
Course contain demo link, demo video, and duration course content. It's a demo link and demo video.
They even sent you the screenshot. It seems once. Can you go through the screenshot?
Registered for the process.
Let me share the screenshot. She shared with me as well. Just a moment, Siddharth. So Siddharth, to this inside this mail, you are getting the recording. You can go and click on this. You will
Demo
be
video,
able.
this demo video.
Yes, yes.
Demo video I received. Means this particular mail I have received. I received this one. I'm just saying
If
this
you
is
click on this, you will get all videos from day one, Siddharth.
okay,
Okay?
okay,
Okay?
okay.
I hope this is helpful to you now.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. It can be a miscommunication. They are also doing their job. So no problem. Let me drop a call for them. So that's fine, guys. So from next time, just click on this link because even I'm not into admin part, so I also not much very familiar with this. I'm into completely into this subject, a training part. So maybe it's a miscommunication that happens. Go and click on this video, and you guys can see all the recordings. 4 classes got over. 4 classes recordings will be there. Okay. And after that, payment mode also, I just now explained you guys how the payment mode to be done. After this, payment mode is done. You send screenshot to them and please join from tomorrow around 10:30 to 11:30. Okay, and now someone asked me syllabus. I actually already covered in second demo, but very quickly, I can show you the syllabus, but I cannot explain you deeply. Is that okay? Um, Divesh, right? Divesh, is that okay? I cannot go into depth because the time is up, but I
Yes,
can just randomly show you. Okay?
yes, ma'am. Overview would be sufficient for me.
Yes, yes, yes. No, I'm just telling you because whatever I have to do, I need to be done in a perfect terms. For in-depth thing, you go to demo 2, it will help you out. So let me share my screen. Before that, let me open syllabus. And whosoever is there for installation, so many people are there for installation. Because of doubts, we were not able to do it. That's fine. Please do come log in tomorrow around 10:30. First, we'll complete our installation part and then we'll move to the practicals. Okay. So guys, this is the Excel. So Excel, we are starting with basics, all shortcut keys and functions, and then we will get into formulas like your arithmetic functions, logical formulas, all kinds of lookups with different combination. We look up with match, index with match, and we look up with countef, different combination we will be doing some advanced functions. Along with that, we will be also getting into date and text functions, most of the data cleaning functions, then your date functions, little bit advanced like year, month, date and everything. Then we will be also understanding different visualization for different, how to build different charts with different colors, and let's also build the dashboard. Then finally, we will be telling you how to collect data with the help of these 3 modes like your normal pivot table, power pivot, and your power query. Okay, so very quickly, I did a wrap up. This is about your Excel. So coming to MySQL, all along because I installed long back somewhere, it's still this I'm not able to install. No problem, Seshu. As I said, once you enroll yourself, personally, I'll take your time, I'll connect with you, and I'll clear for you. Because in the class, if I sit with you, it's gonna be difficult for others to wait, right? Normal installation only, it will take some time, but some glitch is there in your installation means we have to connect personally. So after you become a student of DurgaSoft, then I'll have your mobile number, free time. I will set up yours. Okay, I'll do it for you. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, once we make the payment, then when they will create the group and all that thing?
Group is created by me only, so
Okay.
maybe I'll do it by Thursday.
Okay.
Thursday I'll do it because people will come Wednesday, Thursday, few people will come like that. Thursday night, somewhere I'll do it. By Friday, you will be having my number. Okay?
And they will share the link for tomorrow's lecture, no? Once we make
Yes.
payment.
Once payment is done today itself, they will share you this link.
Okay, okay.
Okay, today
If
only you'll
not
get it.
share,
Any
then to
doubts, you
whom?
call those three to four numbers are there on the top. You call them.
Okay, okay,
They
ma'am.
will answer. Okay?
Yeah, thank you,
Don't
ma'am.
worry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing to worry. 1 or 2 days here and there. Then later on, you'll come into form. Starting, it's difficult, right? Like some miscommunication will happen. So nothing to worry. But later on, everything goes in a very smoother way as per your expectations. Okay, Asabari?
Okay, ma'am.
Even for you guys only, I changed even my class timing. So we are so much flexible in terms of student. We wanted you guys to complete it on time and everything. If something goes late also, I'm so much flexible. I take even on a weekends and I'll try to complete the content within time and with good quality of time, I mean, without compromising on subject. Okay, fine, fine. Let me come back to the topic. Now, coming to SQL, it's not just basics, but as we already started some introduction to this part, and we installation also started already. This type of things is done. Then we just look into types of commands. After commands, we will be learning what commands will be there. Okay, here you can see. As soon as it over, we will be teaching all these commands. After commands, we will go step by step different operations and grouping functions, window functions, constraints, and the most important part of the SQL, which is your joins. And then you have even your user-defined functions, window functions, some advanced functions like dense rank, lag, row number, then how to handle the errors, all these things. Not only that, we will be also teaching you stored procedures, the most advanced part of the SQL. Stored procedures, even your indexes and views, along with that triggers. Before and after, how to create a trigger in order to get the dynamic output. So we are going to do it in we are going to do it in a most advanced level where you can go and apply as all alone your SQL developer also. Okay, so Power BI, I have actually given a very depth explanation in demo session in a day 2. So basically, right now, I'll give overview. It will talk about all kind of data cleansing. First, we'll start with installation, talking about the interface of the Power BI. How can you drag and drop your charts? Then later on, we'll get into dashboard. While creating a dashboard, we will understand about some dynamic kind of charts, like where it can automate the reports automatically. Along with that, we are learning parameters, x-axis, y-axis, like dynamic x-axis, dynamic y-axis. Some custom tool tip also we will be teaching you. And then that's about your visualization. All visuals I'll be explaining, not only column, line, conditional, but there are multiple visuals are there. Everything I'll be explaining. Data cleaning, already we have this Power Query in our Excel. Now we will be having this Power Query in Power BI also. It's one of the transformation tool where we have to clean all our data, like removing duplicates, null values, errors, everything. After that, we will be dealing with modeling of Power BI. Then again, we will customize the data in Power BI. Your DAX expression, um, and I can say the DAX is the most technical part of the Power BI. The full form of it is data analysis expression. On the screen, you can see very less, but in real time, we are going to do a lot more DAX. At least 1 week to 10 days, we are sitting on DAX because it is the problem solving things. Then we will be also telling you real time thing, Power BI services, like how do you share your report to the end users, how do you publish it, how can we create a workspace applications and work on the same workspace like colleagues. Yes, RLS, everything I'll be teaching in Power BI services using some Microsoft account. Even though we don't have the license, I'll be doing that. Okay, then Python is related, everything related to your data analysis. In Python, you have pandas, numpys, matplotlib, seaborn libraries. In Python, we will be discussing about all kind of data structures like tuples, um, list, strings, all this data structures we will be learning. Along with data structures, we will be learning what all functions will be supported. And we will be doing visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. We will be doing analyzing data with the help of NumPys and Pandas. So this is what we will be doing in Python. And that's all. Okay, clear?
Oh, Power BI, like we will start from next, like will take like 1 month. After 1 month only you can start.
Power BI after SQL we will be starting. So maybe this till month end we are going with SQL. Next month Power BI will be get started.
Then after that Python.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
And then Excel, done.
Okay. Okay. This is the chronology.
Sorry.
So this is the chronology, like first.
Correct. So this much is really good enough for to become a good data analyst, because along with this you're getting assignments where you have to work individually. After assignments, you will be given projects where you're going to do it in a group. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So that's all from my side. I know the few people have to be installed, and whosoever has not done, tomorrow we will be starting with installation only. Once the completion of installation is done, then we'll get into practicals with our commands, and slowly we'll get into other topics, maybe constraints, something like that. So yes, all the best, everyone. Let me give another 5 minutes for your doubt. I can see maybe someone having any doubts, go ahead and ask. Then we'll wind up. Okay.
Asking if Power BI is an interface which is been used with this MNC corporates. So they use this as interface. It's a kind of interface in all the like calculation or the data, all this in this through Power BI. They explain all this data analysis in through Power BI.
Correct. There we also write technical part using DAX. You said Power BI is an interface where we complete entire data analysis, correct? This is your question, right?
Yes.
Correct. So we can do everything within Power BI. Go and watch second video. There you can start collecting data, build a model of a data, like having relationship between multiple tables, and then cleanse your data using a component called Power Query. Then using other components like a Power View, you can build visuals. Then using DAX, you can answer the business problems. Finally, we can build a dashboard and publish it into Power BI services. So it's all alone standalone tool is good enough to complete the entire data analysis. Clear? Siddharth?
Yes, I understood. I understood.
Perfect.
So for Power BI, do we have to like download, install some other application?
Not required. I'll help you out. Only one application, Power BI Desktop, is good enough. And every tool, whatever we install, is of free. There is no charges required.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. Others are also good. Amar Vishnu,
Yes, ma'am.
Divesh Pandey, you're satisfied with the syllabus, whatever I said. I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
sure, but I was a little bit faster. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Python will be used extensively, or like we will go till building the charts and other stuff in Python, or
So
only.
basically, Python is mostly into your data science. Data analysis also, mostly few companies are asking Python. Why? Because the performance is really good. We write few lines of coding, but the performance does very good. So completely related to data analysis, I'm gonna explain you. Like whatever the building charts and everything, I'm gonna explain you. But hirings can be more on Power BI. If someone is asking, do you know Python? You can also tell because you're getting experience, whatever I tell. So I don't say extensively you use Python for data analysis, but it can be helpful for you in order to get a job. Okay.
Excel,
My
Excel.
experience and my knowledge, I say mostly focus on Power BI.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. And Excel will be used extensively.
Sorry, what it is?
Excel, advanced Excel.
Advanced Excel, you're getting everything from basic to till just like your Power BI, you will be doing everything in Excel. If you just complete my Excel classes, you can separately go and become a MIS analyst as well.
Okay.
So
Got
different job opportunities also you'll get like MIS analyst, Power BI developer, data analyst, business analyst. This is something I already explained in my first demo, but basically you missed on it. That is why you're getting doubts. Yeah,
okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
no problem, Devish. So I suggest you guys go to that video once before you enroll. You will have a full picture on it, full clarity on it. Then enroll yourself. From there, I'll be taking care of you guys. Nothing to worry. We'll go in a very good structured manner. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Shall we wind up?
Yes.
Okay. Hope everyone is doing good now. Have a great day. Please take a wise decision even when you become a data analyst. Sometimes decision making is needed. So take a very good decision and enroll yourself. Have a great day. Bye, everyone. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.